Everyone has a favorite color. As for daily clothing, we consider the color firstly, then its style and size. But the fabric color is extremely limited. How to make the color changeable to meet different people's expectation? Modern dyeing and finishing machines, such as jig dyeing machine, have made great contributions. hpmont jig dyeing machine control system solution has been upgraded, which adopts HC10 and mainstream double frequency conversion control structure to realize high speed and high precision operation. The system built-in roll diameter automatic calculation module can detect real-time tension to adjust the speed, quickly respond to the setting, and ensure uniform dyeing and finishing effect. It supports automatic circle and track counting, automatic cloth feeding, automatic temperature rise, low labor intensity. One person can easily take care of multiple equipment. Common DC bus control can realize the energy backflow of normal working braking, reduce the heating of electric cabinet, and reduce the total energy consumption by about 40%. The whole series inverter adopts DC fan, independent air duct design, and is covered with dust-proof plate. The core components are protected by 3 times of thickness and 3 anti-paint, which perfectly adapt to high temperature, high humidity, and high corrosion. HD50 has excellent current and voltage control algorithm, advanced overcurrent suppression function, and could realize normal running without overcurrent and tripping under any acceleration and deceleration time and shock load conditions. Multiple tension control, torque control, simple servo control, supporting various encoder S with FD output function, parameter replication function, simple debugging, quickly realizing process application.